Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to week 3, day 5 of all of our playing with sounds. We're going to get right to it today and get to warming up with me turtle talking and you putting all those sounds together to say the word that you hear. Remember, it's really important that you say it out loud and you say it loud and proud because when your ear hears it, it goes back to your brain and it helps you to learn. So I'm going to talk really slow and let's see if you can guess what words I'm saying. Let's start with this one. Ready? E. What's the word? E. Good. The word is me. How about and? And. What's the word? Man. Good. How about a? A. Play, good. And that's one of those words that is an initial blend that you're going to be learning as this year goes on. So once you learn it, it's actually, you could say it like this: play, good. How about this one? B, uh, b, uh. Did you say book? Good. And the last one for today, let's see. I, s, I. Did you say skip? Good. And that's another initial blend. That SK says sk. So as you learn it, you could then just say sk, ip, and then it makes it a lot easier. It's the word skip. When we start pushing sounds together, it's better for our brains and we hear it better because we're pushing those sounds together. And really, that's the goal of reading, is pushing all those sounds together to make words. All right. So last day that we're going to be looking at our vowels and how our vowels change a word, just changing the vowels. So if you look at these words, you can tell that the first sound and the last sound are the same. The first letter and the last letter are the same. We have, I want that to go away. I don't want that box. There it is. So we have N's and we have T's and we just have our middle vowels that are the same or different, excuse me. So let's start with just this first one, and we're going to be listening for real words and made up words. Are you ready? Here we go. Get your voice ready. We know that A says ah, right? Ah. So let's slide to the sounds. At, gnat. Good. Is that a real word? It is a real word. A gnat is a little tiny bug. I will give you a hint though, because the English language is so, so crazy. When you actually spell gnat, there's a silent G at the beginning. It sounds like it would be gnat, but it doesn't. It's just a silent G. But we're going to leave this for today because it is a real word. It's just not spelled the way we're supposed to spell it. But we have a crazy English language, so it does make some of our spellings a little bit more challenging. All right, let's move on to the next one. I see the vowel E. E says eh. Let's slide to the sounds. Ready? At. Say it again. Net. What's the word? Net. Good. Is net a real word? Absolutely. You can have a soccer net, a basketball net, a net that you use when you go fishing to catch the fish. Awesome. All right. Next vowel is O. O says ah. Let's slide to the sounds. Ready? At. Not. What's the word? The word is not. Good. It is not a good day today. Although it is a good day today. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. But yes, not is a real word. All right. Next one, I see the vowel I. I says eh. Let's see if this is a real word. Ready? It. It. What's the word? Knit. Is that a real word? It actually is. Do you know what a knit is, boys and girls? And I only know this because my children have had this before. But when you get lice, the little eggs that are in your hair, those are called knits. So, yeah, but everyone gets it because lice like clean hair. So, not everybody, but a lot of people do. Not a big deal, right? But yeah, knits. Those are those little bugs or the little eggs of the lice bug. All right, last one. Ready? The vowel is U. U says Here we go. Uh, Nut. What's the word? Nut. Very good. Well, it sounds like all of these words are real words, with the exception of this one just being spelled. But this isn't the way we spell gnat, but gnat is a word. Let's slide through the sounds and let's read all those words together. Ready? Here we go. Gnat, nut, knot, knit, nut. Pretty cool that we had all real words when we just changed the vowel. All right, so it is time for our dry erase board and marker. Let me grab mine. If you need to get yours, go get yours. Press pause if you need to. My marker rolled away from me. All right. Are you ready, boys and girls? Hopefully each day this is getting easier and easier and easier, and you're able to get through this a little bit easier without much of a challenge. Again, if it's still tough for you, that's a-okay. It's a goal and it's something that you're just not there yet, but you'll get there. All right, here we go. Are you ready? I want you to start by writing two letters that say ut. Two letters that say ut. You ready? I'm going to show you my board. If you need to press pause, please do so, but I'm going to flip my board around. Two letters that say ut, U-T, ut. And remember, we can slide through the sounds and check ourselves to see if it does say that, which it does, ut. Good. I want you to add a letter to this word to change ut to hut. What do you have to add to change ut to hut? You ready? I'm going to flip it around. Did you say beginning sound? You are absolutely correct. You needed to add the h to the beginning because now our word says ut, hut. Good. What if I want hut to say hat, at? What sound do I have to change? Yeah, that has to go away. And what has to go there? At. What vowel, friends? Did you say? Oh, I don't want to say it. I want to give you a chance to write it. I almost said it. Did you see me? I'm going to flip my board around. Are you ready? Did you say A? Yes. Sorry, I'm backwards. A. At. Good. I want hat to say ham. Ooh, what sound has to change now? Am. Yeah, that T has to go away. What needs to go there? Am. What letter has to go there? Go ahead and write it. I'm going to flip my board around. Are you ready? Here we go. Did you say M? Let's check it. Am. Good. Ham. And you'll notice I'm moving a little bit quicker, and that's okay if you need to press pause. Please do so. I don't want you to get stressed out about this. Just take your time. All right. I want ham to now say am. Pam. What do I have to change? Pam. H has to go away. What has to go there? Go ahead and write it. Ready? I'm going to flip it around. Did you say P? Pam. Good. Pam. Pam's a name. All right. If I want Pam to say pan, pan, what has to change? Did you say the ending sound? Very good. What do I have to put there? An. Ready? I'm going to show my board. Did you say pan? Pan. Good. Pan. Excellent. I want pan, we're getting close to the end, friends, to say N. Pen, like I wrote with a pen. What has to change? N. Oh, yeah, that middle sound does not say that. What says eh? What vowel says eh? Eh, eh. Write it. You ready? I'm going to show my board. Here we go. Did you say E? Yes. N. All right. I want pen to say pet. Et. What has to change? Et. Did you say this? Yes. Et. Ending sound has to change. What do I have to put there? Et. Et. Did you say T? Pet. Yes. All right, last one. This is where you get your thinking caps on. I want to change pet to Pete, like Pete the cat. Eat. Ooh, what do I have to add to the end to make this vowel say its name? Eat. What has to go at the end? Shout it out. Did you say this? Ready? Silent magic E. Yes, because E will make that E say its name. Pete. All right. Whew, that was like a whirlwind of a lesson. Now, if that was hard, if the pacing was too fast, it is okay, friends. You are trying your best, and we're trying to do this over Zoom. And so it makes things, or it should say over Seesaw, it makes things a little bit more difficult. But you know what? We're going to keep practicing, and you'll get this, I promise. I'll be back next week. We're going to getting towards the end, so we're going to be finishing things up. And I won't be doing lessons every day for you, but hopefully I'll still be able to pop in and say hi and do some stuff for you still. But we still have a couple more weeks together, so that's good. So get your Seesaw activity done today, work hard on it, do your very best, and I will see you next time. Bye.